Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, but I'm back and I'm bringing you guys a review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the P.Louise base. This is an eyeshadow base. P.Louise is a makeup company and it's actually from the UK. And recently P.Louise was added onto Morphe.com and that is why I have it. I know international shipping can be a little bit expensive, so good thing I didn't buy it then and I waited until it launched on Morphe. So this is actually $15 on Morphe.com. I actually got it like 3 months ago maybe. I only use it when I'm going to do like a dramatic makeup look or a colorful look. If you guys want to see how this product works and what I think about the product, then keep on watching. And before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So before I start, my chair is very squeaky. I'm sorry. That might be a little annoying, but I'm sorry. So if you guys hear some noises, some squeaks, it's my chair. Anyway, I'm going to start doing my eyebrows. So I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. Well, you guys don't have to use this base to clean up your eyebrows, but I'm going for a very intense eyeshadow today. Okay, so now that I've had to do my eyebrows 3 times, I can finally move on to the base. Oh my gosh, you guys hear my squeaky chair? Okay, so I'm taking my little brush first. Don't forget to moisturize your eyes on my brow bone. Just because it always happens to me with concealer that it looks super dry and I don't want that. And especially with this base, it is on the thicker side. So I'm just going to use this as if I was cleaning up my eyebrows with concealer. So now taking a bigger brush. This is a flat brush, but it's super big and fluffy. And I'm going to start tapping this onto the eye, just so I can blend the base. You don't want to move it around too much, so that is why I'm tapping it, really pressing it into the skin. The coverage is there. It really is. Like, you guys will see the difference from this eye and this eye in a second. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I got the shade Rumour 2. You guys can see the difference, like this eye and this eye. Like, whoa. You don't want to set it at all. Do not ever make that mistake, you guys, of setting your P.Louise base. If you want this to work, you're going to have to go straight in with an eyeshadow. Oh, you guys, I don't think I showed you the box it came in, but it looks like this, all pink, and it has gold stars and gold all over. It's super cute. The P.Louise base just comes in this little black thing and you can see the color through the packaging. It is kind of small, 15 milliliters in here. Okay, when you first touch it, it is a little bit tacky, but it doesn't stay like that. That is really going to help the eyeshadow stick on, and it's going to give you the best pigment ever, you guys. So I'm going to be taking my Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to be taking this purple right here, the darker purple. You don't want to waste too much time because it does start to crease since there is no eyeshadow on it. So I'm going to start packing on that purple on the outer corner. As you guys can see, I'm just packing on the color, placing the color on here, and I'm doing tapping motions. You don't want to blend in circular motions right away because you are not going to get the best pigment out of it if you do that. So what I recommend is that you pack on the eyeshadow first, and then we're going to start blending in other colors, which will help blend this one out. Okay, I just got an idea. I just get random crazy ideas like this. I'm sorry, you guys. So I'm just going to take some orange from the same palette. Maybe not. Shouldn't have done that. But you know what? Maybe it'll look cute on this. Like, since when do you get this much pigment with so little effort? Okay, so I think that's enough for the orange. Don't wanna go overboard either. I'm going to use a lighter purple. And I'm going to start going around the edges of this dark purple that I used. And we're going to start making like a ombre effect. In order for this to work, you have to do a lot of packing. More than blending, because it'll just blend by itself if you do it correctly. I'm going to take this shade right here, and now with this one I'm slowly going to start blending. And with you guys, with these type of looks like this, you know, it takes a lot of patience. It's a little bit tricky, you know, because for example, if you don't pack, you're not going to get the best application. It just takes practice, so don't feel discouraged, especially if you're just starting with eyeshadow. Just keep practicing and you will be better at it. And don't stop, because I actually haven't been doing eyeshadow and I kind of forgot how to do eyeshadow now, and it's kind of sad, but I'm trying to get back into it. So now I'm going to take an even lighter pink. Okay, so I did clean it off a little bit. And now I'm going to cut my crease. This one is the Morphe 35H palette, and so I'm going to take this blue shade right here, and I'm going to start placing it right here on the outer corner. And I'm going to take this one. So now I'm taking this shade right here. Okay, I think I'm gonna need to add some glitter because that'd be super cute. Let me switch brushes. This is way better now. Okay, yeah, I like that silver right here. It's like the silver shade, and I put that right there. This look is everything, you guys. And now I'm gonna spend another hour on this other eye. Okay guys, so I'll be right back with the other eye and I'll finish off the face. Okay guys, so it was sunny when I first started filming and now it's dark. That is how long I took. I know it took a very long time, but you guys, look at this. I did the under eye, but I did not film it because it was just taking too long. So I decided to do it off camera. I love this look. Oh my gosh. It was looking a hot mess at first, but you know, after everything, it looks so good. I can't stop looking at it, you guys. This is like the best look I've ever done. I know every time like I do like a cool look, I'm like, oh my gosh. But like seriously, this is so pretty. What do you guys think about it? Comment down below. Should I do more colorful looks? I think I am, because this is super cute. But anyway, you guys, the P.Louise base, I really like it, but I only use it when I'm doing like something like this, that I need my color to pop. That is the only time I will use this base, because I want to save it for these dramatic looks. So I do recommend this base because it's super good, long lasting, easy to blend, a lot of coverage, and it's just amazing. So I really like it, you guys. I think you should try it, but I don't think it's a need, like a must-have, if you don't really play around with color, or if you just do like simple looks, like everyday makeup. I don't think you really need it, because I know there are other bases, or you can use concealer if you want an everyday look. If you are always doing dramatic looks or anything crazy, this base was made for you. I really love it, you guys. This changed my game. I'm not disappointed at all with this base. It is so good, you guys. I think this is the best base ever. And so that's it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers, you guys. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much. It means so much to me. Like 400 subscribers. What? Me? I will leave my social medias down below, and also I recently joined TikTok, you guys. I know, like what? So if you guys want to see me embarrass myself, go follow me on TikTok. And also, you guys, don't forget to turn on your post notifications because I suck at posting. I don't have like a, you know, a specific day that I'm gonna be posting. So you want to make sure you have your post notifications on so you will be notified when I do post. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye!